Okay, now here look at this. This is our show, right? Here we just work in their show. Currently, look at it. We have not created any codes yet, so okay, don't worry. I just manage it here. Now we just go to our VS Code. Okay, go to admin course controller. Yeah, this course starter. That's fine. This is stored. Not is stored. Here is string ID. Now here is the show, right? So this is the course. Actually, it's a course, right? Course. What is the where? So ID. Dollar ID. Actually, this is the width. Definitely user. Need category. Oh, that's my mistake. Category. So category. And this is the first. Okay. Now what to do? Just return view. This is a folder as a backend dot admin dot course dot view, and that's compact will be course. But before this, we just jump to the course and see the relation will be has or not. Yes, category, subcategory, user, all the three relation, including here into our model. That's cool. Admin course controller, that's fine. Return view. This file is not created yet. So now try to make the file. Here is the admin. Here is the admin. Sorry, backend admin. Here is the course, right? What to do? So this is the places. View dot plate dot display. Perfect. How to do? Just syntax dot plate dot php. Just make it copy or just take and explained here. Just here content. Fine. That's okay. Here I just used to simple bootstrap class. So now better some. Here is the base content and just here. I think, guys, you are not the issue of bootstrap. Or you are a beginner, so please W3 school and the documentation of bootstrap 5. They will focus everything in details from the basic level for bootstrap. Okay. So backend section where title will be course and subtitle will be all course. I don't keep yet. Yes, course, all course. Hmm. You. It's fine. I hope course details. That's perfect. The breadcrumb will be fine. And now completed. Now here, this is the view course and this is the back. I just see, I just show you is and everything. Just keep focus of this process, nothing else. This is admin course index page button. Okay, and here we just take in for another row here. Just take in another row. Just put into the here. Fine. I just simply for let's add. Just close for div. Just close for div, and just also close for div. I think everything is normal. Okay, done. Cool. And now, what is the card body? Actually, this is a list group we have to create it like here. Okay, done. It's okay. First, give the course name like here. Because of that, here is the data will be came in here. What is the admin course controller? Just place in here. Just placing into here. It's really better. And here, look at that. This is the course. Okay. So all the data you comes from the course name. Simple. I don't see this return. So here is the another list of course title. So go to the browser and check actually what's the output will currently coming. Okay. Now here just keep reload. Okay. And first for in here just go to and look at it. This is the view course name, course title. This is the list style, and similarly this type of. And now when it's back, you just go to the courses. That's it. This similar things right now currently. Okay. Now go to view school. And here we also the other category. This is the category, and in here is the category. So uh, grab the course subcategory also. So what's the issue? That's okay. We need to instructor name. Okay, and after that, actually status is active or inactive. This is the define. Yes. Also need to be the selling price and discount price of there. Okay, now check for this browser. Okay, just reload once again. I hope look at that. This is the all of the data is currently is coming, and lot of things will be pending now, but we will try to make sure is and everything. Okay. So course name, course title, category, subcategory, instructor, status, selling price, discount price, all of this data is coming in here, and more data we need to remain. Okay. Okay, this is the one DB is completed. Here is the column is six. Now another is fine. First of all, card body. This is simple things. It's like, okay, here is the card body. Similarly, list group and list group item. And here, look at that. This goes for you. Fine. Uh, Intro video. Because of that, when I created a course, we provide the intro video, right? So make sure this intro video and this video looks like a similar. Just extract the database, nothing else, because all of the procedure will be completed in previously and the perfect and organized. I hope that if you manage the playlist perfectly, so all of this thing will be clear. So don't worry. And here intro video, here fine. Now this is the resources, how many resources you will be provided. Actually instructor will be provided with the courses. This is the get in here for admin. And also have, after completing the course, the certificate will be gated not to the student. It's mentioned in here. Okay, look at that. This is the certificate things. Okay, i believe I believe everything will be fine. Then check it. Just keep reload. Okay, no video available, right? So go to no intro video. So I don't know why. So just check for another one. No intro video is available. So how fun? What the issue? Mm, I just check it why it's happening. So okay, here the this is our database, and so courses. Why the problem is that I just check it. Okay. Oh, here look at that. We have changed. Here is this is the video actually. Okay, but we just put into the video link. Actually, here we have to work through the video link and not upload. Sorry, not upload the full video. Because of that is the it was the heavy for our server, and it literally from bust. Because of that, some video is one GB, but 2 GB or 5 GB, and when you upload the hosting, and literally it will be the damage and lots of time to record. So better put some link, it will be effective. So showing the YouTube video URL, it's not the perfect way. So I just remove and just follow. Here this is the same technique with just nothing below. I just try to iframe. I just help from iframe and just look like it's nearly similar. Just look at that. Here this is the find the video ID of YouTube URL, and this is the video ID, and this video ID will be embedded in here. But don't worry, you just got the source code here. I just mentioned of our git, and now go to our browser and check this is it work or not. Okay, fine, just keep reloading here. It's perfect, right? So now first go to the one video in here. This is the powerful business, and go to in here. Look at that, this is the video will be came in here, but I don't want to play for this video because of this copyright issue, you can also test to continue for this, but I just try to check for another time is like yeah, Laravel build complete. This video will for myself my video, so it's not right the copyright issue, and look like this is the similar. Okay, and this is the very fine things to do in here. It's literally it's great. So okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please humble request to subscribe and also comment for this, because YouTube algorithm, when it will be the helpful, and they will be shared for other people who has to learn about the Laravel, and also it better for me because of that your small contribution to grow me a lot. So thank you so much. If you need a full source code, please connect through the WhatsApp. I will provide every instruction step by step. Thank you so much. Well, let's see for the next video.